What is up, chat? Welcome to the stream. Today is day 101 of live day trading NASDAQ futures. Today, I actually traded my five 150k combines earlier today during Asia session. Unfortunately, lost the trade, but it still stuck to my strategy and plan, so I'm happy with that. Today, or for tonight's session, I have, as you can see on the top here, I've got two 50k combines. One is already hit its profit target for the day. And in this session today, I'll be trading NASDAQ with a brand new 50k combine. And yeah, we're going to have a look at how the market goes. Look, today so far has made a perfect AMD setup. Asia accumulate, London manipulate. Price is retracing back into New York session for distribution. So this looks really good. Now I've marked up a few key areas: Asian high low, London high low. Currently marking up true day open really quickly. Is there, I believe. Started up. That one there, TDO. And now, chat, we're just looking for an entry. And I think that is it right there. I'm longing here.
Order filled.
It has respected
Order
that
filled.
mark quite well.
Order filled.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to have a pretty, yep, looks good there. And we're just going to target, I guess, our maximum target on this 50k combine.
Order filled.
Oh, well, there you go. Quick L. I'm just going to quickly get
Order
back in
filled.
because
Order filled.
I think
Order filled.
my stop loss was a bit too tight, but I still think the bias is correct.
Order filled.
Ah, I blew it.
Doesn't sound great, right?
Oh, chat. That was good. All right. I'm maybe forgetting something. Oh, there's news in 30 minutes. Fuck. Well, so there's that. I think this might be a quick stream. Fucking. It's hard to say. Look, price actually did tap into London high on the open. I didn't expect it to wick that much, but oh well. Chop-de chop. Still doing AMD things in my opinion though, so let me go ahead and reset the account. Fuck me dead. That is what I'm saying, man. You gotta stop playing with me, you know? Gotta stop playing with me. Ain't that right, Kimmy? Ain't that right, Stonks McGee's here?
Yeah. Hello.
Yep. That's what the fuck I'm talking about, you feel me? Oh, well, that was, maybe I jumped the gun on that a bit. What do you think, Stonks? Stonks, are you trading today? Or, let me run down. What are you streaming today? Yep, okay. Hold on, let me just...
This is live funds.
Okay, 1 second. Let me just port it over. Boom. Okay. Show us. Show chat what we're seeing.
Well, look, this is NVIDIA long. 2x long. I'm putting in a small little quantity, which is about $179 in total. And I'm reaching for a target of 176 or 17.6, sorry. Oh, every time I change my stop loss, it emails me.
Oh, you can turn notifications off. Yeah.
But let's say I want a 2% gain from today. I'll be happy. Because it's different. It's different to trading futures where I need to consistently make a target percentage so that I'm better than the stock market. They're better than investing the stock market flat. Do you know what I mean?
Yep.
So my aim is going to be around about 1.5%, and if I can consistently hit that, or 2%, or aim for 1.5% with a 1% stop loss. Okay.
Yep.
that would mean that it would compound over a time period. And as it generally compounds, let's see what the price would be if it was 2%, sorry. I'm still new to this, so bear with me. Where the hell is my draw? There we go. Nope. Pay 1.7%. How about we aim for a little bit higher today? I did do a little bit of news research about the markets today. That's why I chose Nvidia today. Think what they say. Overall, the analysts are suggesting that for this new year, Nvidia price is going to rise. So that's a macro level analysis. Look, Nvidia is considered a strong buy on average, and during the February month, we'll see a lot of pumping and dumping, a lot of volatility, because I don't think I wanted to trade Nvidia unless there was a bit more volatility. As you can see, there's huge gaps here on the 1 minute because there's not enough volume. And this is not proper Nvidia. This is Nvidia 2x long Nvidia. So
so it's leveraged.
It's sort of 2 times leverage, I guess.
Yep.
Seeing a little bugging.
And what aspects of technical analysis are you applying, or is it an opening range breakout strategy?
Well, yeah, market open. It started off here, and it dipped all the way down to this 1711.
Yep.
Which is the lowest low.
Yep.
But it is market open, so it usually gets eaten up. And I got in a little bit late after this second green candle.
Yep.
But as it hasn't broken past this point, I still think there is a positive movement. Well, too quick to say, but positive movement on the bearish side. As it hasn't touched below here, it's got a point of resistance here. I'm looking at, I've got it open on both my footprint as well.
Okay.
Look. Change character here, but it did, so leave that as is. The order footprint here looks a little bit weird. The delta is 21,000.
Why my US stock data look different? Oh yeah, there's a thing that says it right there. Interesting. Okay, well, that's exciting. Chat, back to my screen here, chat, if you guys can see what's going on. Hopefully you guys can. I don't know why it's not updating. Is it updating? You guys see my screen or what? What's going on? Oops. Oh yeah, better. I think. No. Oh, got the wrong one open. Okay, cool. Chat, if you see my stream right now, you'll be able to see that price did go ahead and go bullish. We just definitely got it a bit too early. Scaled in really tightly. I guess I wanted to full port, but look, the bias was correct. Bias was definitely correct. We can also sort of maybe wait for price or maybe we could wait for the news, maybe if we wanted to. But so far, I don't see any realistic moves that I can do in the meantime. Like price is looking to, I think, in my opinion, continue distributing up bullish on NASDAQ, that is. So we just have to look for long continuations, really. Few options here. We can do simple low time frame market structure. Entries. Something we can do. Let's have a look. Just draw it up. Or we can alternatively wait for New York. The news, sorry. News soon. So let's have a look, chat. We're just kind of keeping an eye on this for now. Stonks, let me know if something pops up on your end. And yeah, that's pretty much all we got cooking up now, chat. So we've got this 50K combine here. Yeah, that was funny. Let's have a look at gold while we wait. Actually, you know what? Let's just go quickly do a quick overview of my gold trade today, this morning, whilst we have other things trying to play out. So let's bring it up actually on the other chart. Chat, this is my gold from this is my trade from today in the morning. Simple gold setup, prices in a bullish trend, price broke out of it. In retrospect, I might have sort of not really paid attention too heavily on the breakout. This is a pretty strong breakout. I guess in a sense this was an inverse, like I guess it's like a change of I should say like a fail breaker structure model. So this was a fail breaker structure here, and this was the initial breaker structure, I would say maybe. And I was looking for a continuation. What am I looking at, chat? Break here. Protected low. So I was looking for a long here, chat, but you know, there was an upward channel being made, and unfortunately, I think my stop loss was maybe too tight. Have a look. Yeah, my stop loss might have been a bit too tight. I could have definitely expanded my stop loss, or maybe waited for a reaction later, and then take the later reaction. I might have jumped the gun too early in this trade. So good things to look back on. Yeah, definitely could have maybe waited for it to really come down and respect this protected low, and then have a reaction off the protected low. See how chat I longed from here. I was looking at this sort of area here as a internal break, but it was kind of skew iffy, really. Internal change of character. It wasn't really the strongest. So yeah. It's actually, wait, was this the entry? It's actually pretty mid entry. It's actually pretty bad. Let me have a look at my execution. 11:20. 11:20 to here. 11:20 to 11:33. Let's just tie this up. 11:20. Yep. To 11:23. 33. Oh yeah, I see what was going on. Yeah. So I must have seen. Oh, prices just NASDAQ just swept the NASDAQ just completely swept Asia high for the day. Man, we definitely had the right bias. I just definitely jumped the gun too early. But anyways.
Yeah, I've got a question. Back
Yeah.
on my thing, I'm trying to put in a take profit. It's not the same as project X. Now, would it be a sell limit, stop limit?
It would be a. So what are you in a long position now? It
Yeah.
would be a buy limit. Sorry, it would be a sell limit.
Sell limit.
I believe, yes. Actually, maybe it's. Yeah, it would be a sell limit. Yeah.
I've got 60 quantities in here,
Mm-hmm.
which mean I've put in 800 US of my money on this trade.
Yep. Did you at the price? Oh yeah, yeah. The quantity exceeds. Wait, let me see what you got. Yeah, try that. Try that. That looks good. The price must be less than the stock price. No, you'd be. So you're buying right now, so you'd be looking for a sell order. Oh, you want to buy now? You want to buy more?
No. What the fuck?
Anyways. All right, chat. Look, we had, I don't know, not many really clear opportunities to long. Interesting reaction here, chat, on the 15 seconds on NASDAQ. No change of character yet. Can't really short just yet, but we want to see if it breaks the slope. Maybe it's a short opportunity, like a really quick scalp. But, you know, there is news in about 14 minutes. Okay, swap that. Looks like it just wants to go up. Down,
Man, I'm gonna have to manually fucking take my stop loss to my TP. What am
It's
I
so
doing
weird,
now?
man. So stop.
It's so weird.
Wait, can you just put in one? Wait, so how many? How many? 60 units at that. View trade details. So you bought, okay, 50, and then bang bang. Yep. 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 And then set up the order again. So maybe sell. Yes. Stop limit. It should be. Wait. Go to your order type. Go to market if touched. Yeah. Yep. Yep. And then put in the quantity, same amount. Yep. Yeah, so it's the market order, limit market order. That's fine. So you'll sell at market price once it hits that. It's the same thing, pretty much.
How do I cancel that? I can't see it.
I don't know, man. I don't even know how that thing works. Anyways, chat, let's have a look at our expected price range movement on NASDAQ. So if we stick to our rule of looking at the standard or the expanded FEG, sorry, FEG, standard deviation or expanded model. I see a retracement back at this 2 to 2.5 area. Now let's have a quick look on higher time frame, see what kind of draws on liquidity we have. Oh, we have a massive kind of area here. It did high. And nice. Okay,
How's
let's
NASDAQ looking? Because I think this
just
corresponds
bullish.
to NASDAQ pretty well.
Yeah, it does. Should. Bullish, bro. Bullish. I think it's going to keep going up for a bit more. Not much movement in gold. Gold's kind of dead. What I have to do is to put it down on you. Are you not streaming, or you just trading? No stream.
I'm just trading my this
Yep.
my real capital for now.
Yep. Price comes into this low. I could maybe look at a long. See a nice little tap into the Asia high. Let's see if it gives us a nice entry. Tapped in.
Order filled.
I'm gonna do a bit of a 10-point stop loss outside of the Asia high if it taps into that. Bang. I like the sounds of that chat.
Order filled.
Yeah, very nice. And we're gonna target. Oh, is that 1.5 risk to reward? Let's see, 15 second. Is pretty good, kind of covers this area.
Great entry from you. Did it curve back up?
It's alright. Kind of figuring yourself out.
Let me have a look.
Potentially.
Are you streaming?
Yep. Oh, not
I
Discord.
Stream.
On Discord, I can stream Discord. Just to put it down on you. We just sit and wait. We sit and wait. Because I still think, chat, there's room for this price to go on if we look at the standard deviations. Not standard deviations. Kimmy, you know, this isn't actual standard deviation. Like, it's just a multiplier of whatever range you establish. So it's not even, it's like just Fibonacci lines, not even really standard deviation, but it's misinterpreted as standard deviation a lot.
Oh, I just thought it was fib retracements.
Yeah, it is fib retracements, but the specific numbers 2.5 are like standard deviation. Standard deviation means, but people, the ICT community calls it standard deviations, and so that's what I have adopted from it. Yes. Yep, I'm almost done here. I think it should probably hit TP soon, maybe. Unless I spoke too soon. Might have spoken too soon, chat. Triple touch
Almost
here.
closed my position. Have a look at this.
Yeah.
I've got $800 US staked in this trade. Real money.
Yeah, yeah. Have a look.
So 2% of that.
Yeah.
Maybe even more, to be honest. I think it's 8 plus 1 something. How much is 60? 1,000 US in this trade.
Yeah.
Order
So
filled.
if I hit 2% from my initial, it's $200 US profit just now, which covers one email.
Yeah, literally. And any specific reason why you're TPing there?
Just the 2%. Honestly, this I could swing trade it on. Like, to be honest, I should just leave it here and just swing trade it. What? Take TP up at the top of the top. You know what I mean?
Yep.
I think there's good movement, and then as soon as I see reversal, then I could probably.
Order filled.
Yep. All right, chat. There it is. TP hit. So there you can see we long from here. We actually added another 3 micro contracts here just to boost the trade a bit. Move to break even around at this point. So it's risk free. TP hit and got 2 combines now halfway to being passed. Yeah, that's it, chat. I think that's it for me. I don't have anything else. I might start streaming. The Asia sessions so that you guys can watch these trades that I take on gold during the day, maybe. But yeah, because I'm trying to stay away from these night sessions for me, like a New York session. Thank God I exited the trade before 10 a.m. I want to know what fucking happens to the news. Historically speaking, news can kind of be a bit of a shit show. But
I've technically hit my TP.
Yeah.
But I've just left it go because I don't have a stop loss. I stop TP at the moment.
Yep. Just running it. Well,
Yeah, bro. Look at this.
Yeah. Yep.
Delta's still looking good on the 5-minute too, bro. Oh. Touches my 2% and goes down.
The stream frozen?
No. It's just slow. It's just.
Is there a small time frame that you can go to?
Nah, it's too scat.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's good. 30? Yeah, 30 seconds good. Yeah. I'll go 15 seconds is nice, clean.
No, 15 seconds scat.
Yeah.
I haven't looked at it. Yeah,
30 seconds, alright. Okay. Looks a lot better now. Well, chat, that's it for me. I am done. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.